Today, I will walk you through how to create a GBV case. So first, you will sign in to the V4 platform. You will create a case when you are planning on working or providing case management services to that individual for gender-based violence, or if you will be providing referral services to that survivor and then we'll be referring them on to another organization for the case management. To begin though, you will go to registration in the toolbar at the top. You would click on registration and go then to individual. It's here that you will find a list of all the individuals that have been registered into the V4 system. You would use the scroll bar at the right to move down to see those options on the page. Due to the number of individuals, the easiest way to identify the individual you are looking for is going to be searching for them. So either searching by their last name, or if it was known and you had their V4 individual ID, that is the quickest. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use their name. And if you don't know the exact one, if you can get the first few letters, I just put an EX, and that then brought to me 3 different people who had EX in their name. So the person I'm looking for is X1. I'm going to click on their individual ID, and this now will bring me to their registration information for this individual. I'm just going to briefly look and confirm that this is the individual that I'm looking for, that I would like to create the case for. Only if you are acting as a GBV worker will you be able to create a GBV case. So I'm going to go to create. If you have the privileges granted or security privileges granted to create a GBV case, you will see it here. If you do not, it will not appear. And then I will click on SGBV case. And when I do so, it's going to take me now to the GBV module. When it says new SGBV case here in the upper left and it does not have a number, that means that I have yet to save this case. But before I can do that, there are specific data points that I will have to fill in that are mandatory. Mandatory data points are indicated by the red star next to the title of the data point. So those who have a lock on them will be automatically generated, so it will not be necessary for me to put them in, because once I save, this case number will automatically generate. Information that is required for me to save this is going to be opening date. So it will automatically default to the day when you generate this case, but you can click on it and then select the calendar to the right, and it will allow you to select any date that is as of today or in the past. You will not be able to select an opening date that is in the future. Let's say this person came in my past Friday, so I will select an opening date of the past Friday. And then I will select the priority. So this is going to be something that will be determined by each of your contexts: high priority, medium priority, or low priority. For my person, I'm going to say she qualifies as high priorities. Once you have filled out those required points, you first push save to ensure that you have the case saved. It now has a case number. And now I would go back and I would fill in additional details such as opening type or referral type, source of referrals, etc. All of the details about what you would choose for the different drop-down menus are explained in both the user guide, as well as will be defined for your operation specifically when you develop your in-country SOPs. And now I have saved my individual, so I will go to save and close. And then I will log out. Thank you very much.